Hey everyone, today's video is a 1972 Avion, and this is Kevin, and he's going to show us his camper. So Kevin, tell me first, where did you find this?
We found it online.
Online, and
yes,
what
ma'am.
condition was it in?
It was in good condition. It was not painted, and the inside did not was structurally was good, but we redid the inside and the outside. And most Avions aren't painted.
I like the painted. Alright, so walk me inside and show me what you did. It's very cozy in here. So how much of this did you have to rebuild?
So most of this was structurally sound. We had to redo a little bit of wiring and a little bit of plumbing, but nothing major. Mostly is cosmetic that we did. My wife designed all this, the decor and the headboards. Those were added, and then the kitchen we put the microwave in. Put the microwave in over here. This is the original refrigerator, and then the bed. This did not have a couch at the front when we got it. So we just got a futon and modified it to make it work. And this makes a double bed here also.
And then you have storage underneath?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Alright. And more storage up here.
You got a bunch of storage in this.
Did you have an air conditioner?
The air conditioner's original and the refrigerator's original. And they both work.
Alright. And is this an electric fan or just...
No, that's just a vent.
Just a vent. Okay.
No,
Alright, so I'm going to show you the bathroom. The bathroom is... Did you have to do anything back here?
No, ma'am. We just painted it.
Just painted, alright. It's got a good size little shower there. More storage over there. Alright, thank you, Kevin.
Thank you, ma'am.
Alright, guys, I'm going to show you outside. Here's the living room area again. And then the kitchen is there. Very nice. Alright, I'm going to walk you around the outside.
Get the cover on the back.
The cover on the back, he said. Okay, we're going to check out the cover on the back. It's got a really good rock guard up there. Here we go. We'll check out what's in the back. They're backed up to the creek. They've got a nice site. Oh, the tire cover, he means. Okay. There we go. Look at that. And the bathroom window looks like stained glass. It's kind of a aqua color, blue. Good sturdy bumper. Alright everybody, so that is today's video. Give it a thumbs up if you haven't already. And hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any videos in the future. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.